Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices so pairing works first time. Make sure your AirPods are charged and the case is open. You need them awake to enter pairing. On your PC, turn Bluetooth on in settings and confirm the adapter is recognized. If not, install or update the Bluetooth driver or plug a compatible USB Bluetooth 5.0 dongle. Once done, press and hold the AirPods case pairing button until the LED flashes white to enter pairing mode, and move to your PC without delay. Now you complete the middle steps inside Windows. Open Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices and choose Add Device, then Bluetooth. You should see your AirPods listed. Click them to start pairing and wait for Windows to install the driver. This can take a few seconds. If the AirPods do not appear, reset their pairing by closing the case, waiting 5 seconds, reopening and holding the button until the LED flashes. Make sure no other device is actively connected to the AirPods when you try again. Finish by confirming the AirPods are the default audio device. Open Sound Settings or Control Panel, choose Playback and Recording, and set AirPods for both output and input so apps use them automatically. Test playback and record a short clip to verify mic function. Change sample rate or levels if audio is choppy. If you still have problems, remove the AirPods from Bluetooth devices, perform a factory reset on the AirPods, restart your PC, and then repair. This reset step fixes most stubborn connection errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.